Hey, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. You won't miss a video like this one. Fantastic. I'm going to teach you how to make mashed potatoes. No cream, no butter, no problem. All right. Let's get cooking. Hey, I'm taking out the butter and I'm taking out the cream, but you know what I'm adding? I'm adding flavor. Flavor in the way of roasted garlic. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, I take a whole head of garlic. I'm going to just cut the top off and expose the cloves. And then we just put it on the aluminum foil like that. And I'm going to use a little bit of spray oil because I don't want too much oil. If I use spray oil, it's going to give me a lot less oil. I just give it a little spray. And that's going to prevent it from burning. Then I wrap it up. Hey, I'm going to put this garlic in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour. It's going to roast and be sweet and beautiful. Check it out. Okay, while that's in the oven, I'm going to cook my potatoes. First of all, the potato I'm using is a red potato. Why? I don't have to peel it. Skin's very thin, very nice. And sometimes these are called creamers because they're creamy. And because they're creamy, I'm not going to miss the addition of cream so much. Okay, so I'm going to use these. All I'm going to do is boil it. But I can't boil it in water. I need to add some flavor. What am I going to do? Hey, I'm going to boil it in vegetable broth. That's fantastic. So I have about 2 pounds of potatoes. And it's just, like it fits in a pot nice. Covered with vegetable broth. And I start the vegetable broth at like a room temperature is fine. I'm going to bring it to a boil. Hey, I'm going to bring it to a boil and then I'm going to simmer it gently for about an hour. I want the potatoes to be really, really soft. Okay, so garlic's been in the oven about an hour. Fantastic. These potatoes are done. You know how I know? You take a knife, you stab the potato, and the potato comes off the knife very easy. I'm going to take a spoon and remove the potatoes. Put them in this bowl. You see how the skin cracks? That's another way of knowing that the potato is cooked. Okay. Hey, save that liquid the potatoes are cooked in. You may need it to thin out the mashed potatoes later. Don't forget, no cream in this potato. All right. Hey, I start with a potato masher. Very nice, very handy tool. And now I'm going to add this roasted garlic. How do I do it? Just hold it like that and give it a squeeze. Check this out. All the garlic comes out. You see that roasted garlic? Woo! That's some good stuff. Okay, then you're mashing the garlic in with the potatoes. Now you have to add some of this liquid. Some of the liquid that the potatoes were cooked in. I'm going to start by adding about a cup. A cup of that liquid. Hey, you may think a cup is a lot, but it's really not because the potatoes absorb a lot of moisture. And the moisture you want them to absorb, you want it to be a flavorful moisture. That liquid that the potatoes cooked in, ooh, that's very flavorful. Tastes like potato, tastes like vegetable broth. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to add about a little more, about a half a cup more. Woo! I have to taste it. Delicious. That garlic is very good. You're going to need a pinch of salt. I'm going to throw in a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I got to taste it again. Perfect. Nutritional yeast. Fantastic. I'm going to put about a half a cup in there. Hey, I like nutritional yeast. Tastes like Parmesan cheese, but it's vegan. Fantastic. Okay, you know what? One last taste. Tremendous. Creamy. Nice. The potatoes themselves are creamy. She only didn't add any cream to it. Great flavor. The vegetable broth, the garlic, the nutritional yeast. Wow. And it has a nice potato flavor. Wonderful. Okay, now here's how we finish these potatoes. With gravy, traditionally, yes. I don't want the gravy. Now you have this potato, which has a nice nutritional punch to it. Starchy. It's going to fill you up. It's going to make you feel good. But instead of the gravy, I want to give it more of that nutritional punch. I'm going to add spinach to it. That's fantastic. So I have the saute pan. I get it nice and hot. Okay, I have a plate. I'm going to add some potato right on top of that plate. Okay, I'm using like 1 cup of packed spinach. I got my pan really hot. I throw my spinach right in the pan like that. Hey, no need for any oil here. Then I'm going to take about a tablespoon of this, the broth that I use to cook the potato. Watch this. I'm going to saute it right in that broth. It's going to give me a nice flavor. Just saute it till it's nice and wilted like that. That's beautiful. Then I'm going to serve it right on top of my potatoes. Like that. Hey, this is fantastic. Delicious. Great as a side dish. This is actually good as a whole meal. No problem. Fill you up, make you feel good. It's comfort food at its best. Awesome. Hey, you know what else is awesome? I make a mean potato pancake made from sweet potatoes. It's on a video. Hey, check that out and I'll see you there.